How's it going, everyone? Greg here. Welcome to the RC Driver 2 channel, and I've got a special product alert video for you. I don't think I've ever done a special product alert video before, but this I think is worth it. So obviously the Mojave Groms that you see here, a very popular RC car right now. They're available in a number of different colors, and ProLine has come out with a number of different bodies for them. One of them being the Silverado body, and you're kind of probably seeing some Silverados right here. These are special versions of the Silverado body. One of 300 sitting right here on my workbench. Yeah, they're only gonna make 300 of each of these styles. And it's a Silverado that we've seen before. It's pre-cut, and obviously they have these pre-printed graphics on it and some very special liveries. So let me pull these out so you can see each one of them. Yeah, they come pre-cut from the factory, so you don't have to worry about cutting it out. That's pretty awesome. Has the overspray film on it, so make sure you take this off before you go and put the decals on. There's the decal sheet right there, but definitely love the styling of this one. If you got the bronze Mojave, number one, I'm jealous because I don't have that. Number two, this would be a killer body to put on it. They also have this one here with flames on it. It's kind of a split style paint job. They got purple in there, obviously the orange, and then some checkers, so that's kind of a wild one. And then actually still on the wild side is this here, but I definitely like the color scheme and striping on this one. So you got whites, blues, and purples. That's probably going to go really well with the Mojave brushless with the blue wheels. And I think I've got to put one of these bodies on this. So this is definitely going to go on here. And I think I'm gonna go with actually the bronze with the yellow wheels. I think that'll look awesome. I'm gonna get these mounted up. See, told you guys that bronze is gonna look pretty sick with the yellow wheels. I think that turned out awesome. And then of course the blue body with the blue wheels here, that looks pretty sick as well. Pretty easy to get these mounted up. I mean, you just gotta pull those screws off of the stock body, swap them out, make sure that you get the side of the body into the gap between the side plate here and the main part of the cage. That's the only real hold up. The front bumper from the original body doesn't go back on. It's just supported now by the brace in the back, and yeah, there's just a couple screws in the rear. Decals obviously easy to apply because they're pre-cut, which is awesome, and I'm ready to rip on one of these things. These are really cool options, and again, they're limited, so you got to get them quick. Gotta tell you, RC drivers, love that ProLine's doing these little limited edition runs on different bodies and wheels. Gives you the opportunity to have something unique, and it looks pretty cool on top of it. Look at this thing fly. Absolutely love this Grom. Let's get some air off the new jump here. Oh, that was a crazy jump. Come on, buddy. Yeah, there we go. Reverse side here. More air. Just scratching up that new body. Just got to drive this stuff, right? Enjoy it. Oh, man, that definitely scratched it up. Blow the air off of that side. This is definitely gonna go home scratched up, but it's all worth it. If you gotta have one of these bodies, I'll have links for it in the video description below, and stay tuned for this rant video. Yeah!